Hello, beautiful people of the world. My name is DJ, and I want to welcome you all to our channel, Tahanang Noypi. Um, we're here to share our experience, helpful information on building small or tiny house. But as a disclaimer, I am not an expert. I'm not a professional engineer. I'm not an architect. We're just here, like what I've said, to share our own experience and knowledge that we got from our researches, from the blogs I watched, and from the expert we've consulted to or consulted with, rather. You will see actual footage of the steps, progress, and even mistakes and problems we've encountered along the way. I know this will help you, especially with those who plans building their own house too, because what I've mentioned, that helped us a lot too. I've watched thousands, hundreds of videos. And we just wanted to return the favor by sharing our own journey. And all right, I think that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for our next uploads. This is like a series of videos. I'll try my best to upload as many as videos as I can per week. And all right. This is going to be the first week. Please watch till the end of video so you don't miss anything. All right, enjoy. So this is our DIY floor plan. It's like I just rushed over this design because of lots of reasons. It's only a simple house or tiny house with a loft. So that part you're seeing is the top view showing the loft on it. And we came up with this design because of the existing structure in our site location. That area is my in-laws piggery. It's their business. And um, the one that beside that large space there, it's like preparation for the piggery expansion. But because of its sudden change of heart, they decided not to proceed. The area stayed vacant for quite a while until they decided or they suggest, why don't you build your own house there? So we talked about it and eventually we thought, why not? So for this first week, this is the time where all the digging starts on our case. Since there's already a built structure, we just carved out the portions where we will build our foundation. That's what was showing on that part of the video, the footing and the post. So those are the preparation. The adjustment needed are taught thoroughly by our experts. So, all right, this part of the video, you will see the very first batch of the delivery of the materials. I will speed it up so we won't get bored. Mm. After unloading the materials, we continue on digging, and some of us works on the metal rods for the formworks of posts and footings. As we can see, the metal rods are already in place. And you might be wondering why the posts and footings are like not standard or the minimum size, even for a bungalow concrete house. Well, this won't be a full concrete house. Our goal is to have a modern Kubo type, and most of the materials we will use are woods and other light materials. We are now seeing how we worked on the mortar for the footing. And because we will have a wooden house, we make sure to have protection from termites and other bugs. We used crude oil and Solignum soil guard. This is not a sponsored video, but Solignum, if ever you know how to contact me. And this is not a, oh yeah, I already told that. You can see, as you can see, we poured the Solignum and crude oil mixture first before we pour the mortar for our foundation. On this part, form boards are also in place and ready for the mortar. Then it's actually the last day of week 1, this part. The night before this day rained heavily, so our project site got partially flooded. And that includes the parts where the foundations are set to be poured in. And we came up with a workaround. That large tube and that machine helped us to suck the water out to lessen it up. And we changed the mortar mixture just like stronger than it should be, so it won't mix with that water or flooded water. As you can see, the footings are totally submerged, and this is the very first issue we've encountered so far for the week 1. But yeah, we came up with a solution, so we were able to proceed. And I think that's it for now. Please stand by for the next uploads. Thanks.